Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Neutrino using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen you should see these four buttons, the send, receive, buy, and swap buttons. Now here, if you want to get Neutrino coins, you can either buy them or receive them. Now tap on the one that you're interested in, then start typing in Neutrino, and when you are done, you should see all the different Neutrino coins that are available on the site. There are Neutrino system-based token, Neutrino Great Britain fund, Neutrino Japanese, Turkish, USD, and Neutrino Euro as well. Now go to Neutrino USD, but you can obviously choose the one that you are interested in. And when you tap on it, Trust Wallet is going to generate your own personal QR code. And with this QR code, you can receive Neutrino coins very easily. You can also scan this QR code for yourself if you want to transfer your Neutrino coins from a different wallet to Trust Wallet. Now you can also use the copy icon. By tapping on it, you can copy your Trust Wallet address, and with this address you can receive coins the same way. The second icon on the bottom, the set amount icon, is a very interesting feature where you can add a set amount of coins, and then Trust Wallet is going to generate a new QR code for you. And with this new QR code, you can receive this exact amount of coins, which is a great way for transactions or payments. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.